Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into the Google account that holds the videos you want backed up. Once signed in, open Google Takeout to control exports and deselect everything except the video sources, Photos, Drive, or YouTube. Make sure to pick one-time export to grab a snapshot now, or choose scheduled monthly exports if you want continuous backups. Then move directly to customizing file types and destinations. Don't pause, select which albums or folders to include so the export is focused and smaller. Once done selecting content, configure the export settings. Pick Zip for widest compatibility or TGZ for Unix systems and decide compression. Stronger compression reduces size but takes longer. Next, set archive size. Pick 2 GB for slow networks or larger chunks for faster transfers. Google will split accordingly. Choose how the export is delivered, a direct download link emailed to you, or automatically add archives to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. After that, create the export and monitor progress on the takeout page until it's ready. When your export is ready, download the archive or move it straight to the destination cloud storage you selected. Click each archive to start transfer. Once downloaded, verify a handful of videos play correctly and check file sizes against originals to confirm integrity. Then extract and organize videos into a clear folder structure, tagging by date or project. Finally, remove temporary exports from the account if you're conserving space. Troubleshooting tip: if export fails, retry with a smaller archive size and ensure stable network connectivity before restarting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.